Alright, Algebra 1 students, here's part 2. So here's some more about systems of equations. What is the solution to the system of equations? X minus 2y equals negative 2. That's this blue line. And 3x minus 2y equals 2. That's the red line. Okay, so the solution is that intersection point, 2, 2. So the solution is 2, 2, right? This point right here. Now we want to check that this is the solution algebraically. So I'm going to plug in 2 for x, right, from up here, and 2 for y. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute 2 for x and 2 for y. Everything else stays the same, so equals negative 2. And I'm going to check. So I have 2 minus 2 times 2 is 4 equals negative 2. Well, 2 minus 4 is negative 2 equals negative 2. Well, that's true, so that worked. Now I want to check it in the second equation, right? That was the first equation. Now I have to check it in the second, right? It has to work for both. So this is 3 times 2 minus 2 times 2 equals 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. And that's good. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 equals 2. That works. Since it works in both equations, we know that this is a solution. So, is negative 2, 0 a solution to the system of equations? Well, we have to check both. So, this is x, this is y. Going to make that substitution. So, in my first equation, I'm going to check it. Our y was 0, so 0 equals 1/2 times negative 2 plus 1. I'm plugging into the first one. Well, 1/2 of negative 2 is negative 1. Negative 1 plus 1. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0, so 0 equals 0. That works. Now I have to check it in my second equation. So my second equation, I have 2 times my x, which is negative 2, plus 2 times my y, which is 0, equals 0. Well, 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. 2 times 0 is 0, so plus 0 equals 0. And negative 4 plus 0 is negative 4 equals 0. Well, that's not true. It did not work in this one. So, no, this is not a solution. It only worked in the first one. It has to work in both. So, no. All right, is 3, negative 3 a solution to the system of inequalities? So, we do not have equations this time. We have inequalities. This is x. This is y. So, I'm going to check my first one first. So, my y is negative 3. Is greater than or equal to negative x. So negative 3. So negative 3 is greater than or equal to negative 3. That's true, that works. Check my second inequality this time. I'm going to substitute 3 for x minus 2 times negative 3 for my y is less than 9. Well, 3, this is a negative times a negative, so plus 2 times 3 is 6, is less than 9. 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 less than 9. That's not true. So that did not work. So this did not work in both. So is this point a solution? It is not. No. Okay, moral of the story, it has to work in both equations for it to be a solution. Okay, good luck. That shouldn't be too hard. Ask questions and have a great day.